Empowering young learners to explore, discover, and thrive in a digital world, Intern-Guru envisions a future where education nurtures critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Welcome to Intern-Guru students. Join our 8-week advanced Linux training program designed for young minds. In week 1, we start with an introduction to Linux and the command line terminal. Students learn the basics of navigating files and running commands. In week 2, we dive into file management and permissions. Week 3 covers text editors like Vim and Nano to write scripts. Week 4 is all about managing processes. In week 5, students learn to configure network settings and access remote systems using SSH. Week 6 takes shell scripting to the next level. In week 7, students learn to monitor system performance. Finally, in week 8, students work on a comprehensive final project. Join Intern-Guru student today and unlock your child's potential in mastering Linux. Visit www.internguru.com to enroll now and begin your child's Linux adventure.